So I'm in between patients here at my clinic, and I just had to share the most amazing success story, I don't know, ever. It's amazing. All right, before I do that, I want to tell you how you can connect with us. If you're local, call us at 618-288-1489. If you're not local, that's okay. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. You can fill out a questionnaire. You can read success stories. You can look at all the information on our site. In addition, you can also schedule a consultation. Okay, so let's just share with you some numbers. This is a success story of a reduced lens prescription for a patient. Now, this story goes back 2 years because it's where it started, was 2 years ago when I began working with this patient. She's since graduated therapy, but she's actually come back still occasionally for us to recheck things to see if we need to change something or alter something with her lens prescription. So let's just share some details. So when she first came to the clinic, she had a plus 250 in her right eye. She also had minus 175, which was part of her astigmatism prescription. And she also had astigmatism for this left eye, which was 450 on the astigmatism, and she was a plus 6.25. So just as a recap, 250 with a 175 sill and 6.25 with a 450 sill. That's what she came in at originally. And what is she today? 2 years, almost exactly to the date of when we started working with her. She is now reading just a little bit of a minor amount of reading prescription, like plus 0.50 in her right eye, no astigmatism. So that's coming down from a plus 250 and a minus 175 down to just a plus 0.50 in her right eye, no astigmatism. That is a total of 15 notches of power that have been reduced for her eye overall in her right eye. Well, what happened with her left eye? Her left eye is amazing also because she was a plus 6.25 minus 450. And now what she reads is plus 2.25 plus minus 250. What? So from 6.25 down to 2.25 for her for her left eye is phenomenal. So she has had an overall 24 notches of power knocked out for her left eye and 15 for her right eye. That is totally phenomenal. I'm super excited for her. How did we do it? Well, we did a combination of neurological light stimulating filters to train the brain to reduce her lens prescription. In addition to, she had some exotropia. She has some convergence insufficiency and overall general binocular vision coordination problems that we also worked on. So the Syntonics worked on all of those various issues for her. And because we rectified all of those binocular vision issues and alignment things, that's what really helped the brain to be able to be efficient and to also reduce her lens power. So she is super stoked and excited that she's continued to decrease, because this is another decrease after she just had a prescription change a couple of months ago, back in the summer, which would have been about 5 months ago. And so she's had another further reduction. The brain keeps working towards being more efficient with the eyes overall as a team. So her astigmatism keeps jumping down lower, and her farsightedness keeps jumping down lower. And so they are so excited. We're going to plan to test her in another couple of 3 months to see if she reduces again, because now she's even out of a specialty contact lens that she had to wear for her left eye, since that plus 6.25 minus 450 was such a strong amount of power. Now she's actually in like a normal range, where just kind of some normal, what we call toric contact lenses that are specific to being able to treat someone who has astigmatism, those can be worn. They don't have to be necessarily this special fabricated lens that takes a lot longer for her to get because of so much power in her left eye. So there's so much exciting stuff happening. She's a college student and she's just having the time of her life, getting used to new things and being in a new town and away from mom and dad and all the fun stuff that comes with, you know, gaining independence. And now she's gaining independence from wearing these heavy, thick contact lenses as well, which is super cool. Now, we may do a kind of revamp on this one and check in to see how she's doing in another couple of months I'm pretty sure I've actually done a video on her before, and so now this is like a follow-up to that. But if you're excited and maybe this is you or maybe it's your child, then reach out to us, 618-288-1489. If you're not local, that's okay. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com and you can do all kinds of things there. You can take a questionnaire, schedule a consultation, read stuff around. Oh, let's back up. The most important one, schedule a consultation so we can figure out how we can help you. With that, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and as always, pass this on if you think it would be helpful for someone else. Thank you.